Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Oh, no problem.
Can you repeat that, please?
Sure, I said the meeting is at 3.
At 3?
Yes, 3 p.m.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I understand now.
Great.
What does deadline mean?
It means the last time to finish something.
Oh, like a final date.
Exactly.
Is it important?
Very important.
I see.
Don't miss it.
I won't.
Good.
What's today's date?
It's June 10th.
Is that a Monday?
Yes, it is.
I have a meeting today.
What time?
In the afternoon.
Good luck.
Thanks.
No problem.
What time is it now?
It's 9:30 a.m.
Am I late?
No, you're early.
That's good.
Yes, very good.
I hate being late.
Me too.
Thanks for telling me.
Anytime.
What's your schedule today?
I work in the morning.
And after that?
I study in the afternoon.
Busy day.
Yes, very busy.
Any free time?
Only at night.
Sounds tiring.
A little.
Can you help me?
Of course.
I don't understand this.
Let me see.
Thank you.
No problem.
You're very kind.
Happy to help.
I appreciate it.
Anytime.
Why are you late?
The bus was slow.
Oh, I see.
Traffic was bad.
That makes sense.
Sorry about that.
It's okay.
Thanks for waiting.
No problem.
Let's start.
What do you think of this movie?
I think it's great.
Really?
Yes, it's fun and simple.
I like it too.
The story is nice.
The music is good.
I agree.
Let's watch it again.
Sure.
How do you feel today?
I feel tired.
Why is that?
I didn't sleep well.
That's hard.
Yes, a little.
Want some coffee?
That helps.
Feel better soon.
Thank you.
What's happening here?
The shop is closing.
Why so early?
There's no power.
Oh, I see.
It happens sometimes.
That's unfortunate.
Yes, it is.
Let's come back later.
Good idea.